Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you Crushon AI review. First, go to the Crushon AI website. Here you can see all the available characters. Scroll through the list and find one that you are interested in. Once you find a character you like, click on it. After that, you can start a chat right away. The chat begins instantly, and you can interact with the character in real time. You can also explore more characters and switch between chats whenever you want. On the left side menu, you will see your recent chats. This helps you quickly return to conversations you had before. Under that, there is a Create button. Click on it to create your own character. This is where you can customize everything. You can also set a status tracker for your character. Click on Create Character. Here, you can upload a picture and add a scene card, which will act as the background for your character chat. Then enter details like voice, name, age, and gender. You can also add more personality traits and descriptions. Once everything is ready, publish your character. Below that section, there is the ranking section. Here you can see the top creators on the platform. Under the ranking section is the profile section. This displays your created characters, your favorites, and saved memories. Next is the pricing section. Here you can upgrade to a premium plan from the available options. Below that is the store section. Here you can buy coins, which can be used to access premium features if you do not have a paid plan. Finally, there is the bonus section. Here you can complete missions and collect coins. Thanks for watching.